In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Fiverr revenue card. Now, I'm using an account just for demonstration purposes, so I won't be able to show any actual earnings in this tutorial. However, there's no need to worry, as I will guide you through each step of getting your revenue card. We'll cover the important points to ensure you're well prepared for this process. So let's go ahead and dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the My Business section of your Fiverr account. From there, go ahead and select Earnings. If you have money available in the Available Funds area, you'll see various options for withdrawing your funds. Next, you'll want to click on Withdraw Balance, or alternatively, you can select Manage Payout Methods and then choose the Fiverr Revenue Card option. Once you've selected it, a notification will pop up, prompting you to check your email for further instructions. This is necessary for adding your Payoneer account, which is essentially the Fiverr Revenue Card. Upon receiving the email, you need to confirm your Payoneer account. To do this, simply click on the link provided in the email, which will redirect you back to Fiverr. Once you're back on Fiverr, click on Get Started. For those of you who have set up a security question or phone verification, you'll need to confirm these details to proceed. After confirming, you'll be redirected to the Payoneer Prepaid MasterCard website. From here, follow the instructions provided for setting up your prepaid card. If you already have a Payoneer Prepaid MasterCard, you'll find a Click Here link located on the right side of the page. Click this link to connect your card to your Fiverr account. Keep in mind the minimum withdrawal amount is $30, and you'll be able to withdraw funds 14 days after an order has been marked as completed. For those who hold top-rated status, you'll be able to withdraw after just 7 days. It's worth noting that although the Fiverr Revenue Card is available almost everywhere in the world, there are two exceptions, India and Russia. And here's some good news. Fiverr does not charge any fees for using this card. However, remember that fees may be applied by MasterCard, and your payment processor may have additional fees as well. Also, transfers can take up to 7 business days, so plan accordingly. Finally, you have the option to review all fees associated with the card on the Payoneer website. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and happy earning with your Fiverr Revenue Card.